Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I will show you how to highlight max and min value in Microsoft Excel charts. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more tutorials. In this dynamic table, here we have the max and the min value. If you change any data here, it will automatically reflect on the chart. Now we are going to change February's data from 100 to 250. As you can see, the chart is changed. Let us see how to do it. This is our sort data, month by sales, and we use a function to find max and min value. We are equal if B3 equal to max, select the range, and here we have to add $sign. You can add it manually like this, or you can use A4 shortcut key. Close the bracket, comma, B3, comma, otherwise Excel will automatically give us an error. NA, close the bracket, enter. Drag this cell to the rest of the cells, and for the min value the same, copy this formula, paste here, but change the max to min, enter, drag the cell. Now we have to put max and min series on this chart, select, Ctrl C, click into the chart, paste here. The max and the min value are on the chart. Double click on the chart, click one of this, go to here, series overlap makes 100%, gap width also 100%. Click into this plus sign, data label, the data are on the chart, these data are duplicated, you can remove it. Also you can remove grid line. Okay, go to this drop down list in the chart options. Here we have series max, delete, series min data labels, again delete, back to the drop down list, series max, go to here, fill, solid, and we will change the color of the max value into green, series min value, the color of the minimum value will be red. Our chart formatting is finished. The only thing that left, you can hide this data, select, change the color into white, the data are hidden. Now you can change any data from here, make 400. As you can see, the min and the max value will change. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and leave your feedback in the comments.